Okay, guys, we have a challenge. Also, this is part 2, and no one's gonna get scared. Challenge 3 to 1. Oh my God! So dark! So dark! It's so dark! Let's speak Tagalog first. Dilim. Takot ako.
You're so arte.
Gusto to. It's so dark. Let's open the door now. Open the door. Apa ganito? Oh. I'm gonna prank you. Bye-bye. 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 I will turn inside. So this is our room. We're still gonna clean it out. Sorry. Let's go down now. My mom's gonna be angry.